Alright, doing a little local rip at the LGS. Just picked up my stuff. It's gonna be quiet because it's loud in here. Wish me luck. Anyone got anything sharp? No, I got it. Nah, I don't. Explain. Explain.
I'm not gonna explain.
But I want to know the joke. Alright. Double pack.
Luffy, if you need this.
Hopefully I pull one more.
Do you work there?
I work at 5 days.
For my car, I'll be like, do you mind watching my stuff?
Yeah.
Boa down.
Other one for brother.
No, I'm keeping. Dom knows.
NANI?!
Another Stussy AA. Goddamn third one. Just haul the trash can this way.
We're going to RS round 4. If there's anything left, we'll get some things. I'm just there to see if it'll not.
Man, I didn't bring a box for activate. No, never mind. I can use this box for the God damn it.
It's like my box. Maybe you'll get a SEC to make up for it.
Give me an SG.
NANI?!
Basil AA from the box.
Whose box is that for? Yours or yours?
It's definitely not for me. I'm gonna find out when I get to the chase.
Are you going to RS later? I'll be there on 4. If you don't pick up the box for RS, you want to pick up one for me?
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna put it there anyway.
Buy that one right there. It's right in front of you.
I don't know if it's
No one claimed.
Chris and Nick are kind of like, if I don't go when I want.
Well then.
Another dragon.
This was a couple minutes, 6 packs, and then it's right here.
I gotta wait.
NANI?
Jinbei AA. Yeah, damn it. It's a 2-hit box.
Yours or his?
Mine.
This can't be it, man. This can't be it.
Just one.
Because it's like 35. I got it.
Unless you see someone pull the shop, let me know.
Two hit.